Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram emojis not showing and missing. First of all, you need to go to Play Store, and if it is not showing means it will have a update problem. So go to Instagram, go to Play Store and click on Instagram. If it is not update means please update it. After updating it was not showing means go to Instagram account, click on here profile and click on here. See here we have a horizontal lines. Click on settings and privacy. So scroll it down. Here we go have a option of help. Click on that. After that, here we need to go to report a problem on first option. Click on that and report problem. Click on include and continue and write your problem. My problem is emojis not showing. Emojis emojis not showing. You need to click on next button. So the problem was reported now. Emojis not showing. Emojis not showing. It was sent to Instagram and they will update our Instagram account. Thank you.